All right, Fatma Rizvi here. So I was just discussing about Flamingo AI, that how it is useful, especially its premium features that for advanced analytics and for extended interviews, especially for 30 minutes detailed interview, and for conducting the detailed analysis of the you can see the candidates. You just have to invest maximum $600, $700, or you can say uh, it's the minimum amount. The maximum amount that you have to spend is maximum $1,000. So in order to get the advanced premium results, advanced analytics, deeper integration, and deeper analysis, you just have to pay a very little amount, $1,000 or $700, and you get the extended interviews of the candidate, almost of 30 minutes, in order to guess out that which candidate is performing the best and which candidate is giving the best in the interviews, which are very beneficial for you people in the long run. The candidates that are very beneficial for the companies in the long run. You get an idea about that uh, by the deeper analysis and the deeper integration of the interview. You get to know that okay, this person, this candidate is performing well, and you can hire the top candidates that are very beneficial for your company in the long run. Most of the recruiters are they don't work out. They get stuck in the screening process. There are million of candidates, but um, they are not able to hire the top talent and the top candidates that are required for their company, and their company suffer the loss, and they don't know what to do because the candidates must struggle with the post as well, and the company requires the top talent. And the human recruiters just scan out 5 to 10 CVs, and it takes months and months to recruit the right option for the candidates. But Flamingo AI make it very easy. It just works for you within the days. Use its premium features for the deeper analysis, for the extended interview, 30 minutes interview. You just have to invest $1,000 in that, or $600 in that, for the best results. You can say it's just a very little amount for the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia companies in order to use it. And this is a very useful product. You can give blessings to me because I'm just promoting, and it is a very useful feature as well. It's a very useful company as well, that million of the companies, especially Ashara, to the million of the companies of UK, USA, and Canada and Australia, that you people can use that AI out, and use that AI for the interview skills, especially its premium features for the extended interviews, deeper analysis, deeper integration. Use that premium feature. Just invest the $1,000, and you can get the best results. A very little amount. Um, and just promote this video to, UK different company, USA different companies, different hiring companies, different tech companies, different engineering companies. They can get benefits of the premium feature of Flamingo AI, but by just investing $1,000 in that, and you can get the beneficial results. This company can do wonders in the recruitment, in the hiring. It hire for the right posts as well. It hire the long term talent, and it give the detailed analysis, the detailed reports of the you can see candidate, and you can get assess that what is the strength. Even it tells about the strength and weaknesses of the candidates. Okay, by using its premium feature, you can do wonders. You can go through 95 to 100 people, assess them out, and get their detailed reports as well using this AI. Thank you.